Keeping your car squeaky clean is a good way to protect its paint job and its resale value. But to get that new car shine, sometimes a standard car wash just won't cut it. So to make things easier, we've taken the liberty of making a list of the best car detailing services in Vancouver. With each company, we've also thrown in helpful reviews and comprehensive info to help you choose your preferred car detailer. Number 1. Tiago's Auto Spa. Tiago's Auto Spa. We understand the importance of maintaining the appearance and condition of your vehicle. They provide excellent service together with quality products to enhance your vehicle's appearance and help it maintain that showroom shine. Number 2. Blitz Auto Spa. Blitz Auto Spa is a full-service automotive detailing facility that came to fruition in 2006. Quality service is about also utilizing quality products. We are always on the hunt for the products and tools that will yield even better results. Presently they use Rupes polishers out of Italy. They are state-of-the-art random orbital polishers, ensuring they don't have to worry about swirling, burning, halos or 3D effects. Number 3. Livingstar Auto Detailing. Livingstar Auto Detailing, LAD, is founded by a team of well-established biotech research and development conglomerates from Taiwan and China. They detail your car not just from an aesthetic pleasing standpoint, but also from a medical caring standpoint. They detail every inch of the surface with their hands with the goal of the highest quality services in auto detailing. Number 4. Unique Detailing. Unique Detailing not only provides the best in a complete detail of your vehicle, but has mastered the art of paint correction and cut polishing with our revolutionary equipment/products/knowledge to ensure a hologram and swirl-free finish on your paintwork. They are constantly educating themselves with new and ever-changing equipment, waxes, protections, and techniques to stay above the rest. Number 5. Gleamworks Detailing. Gleamworks is a Vancouver and Richmond premium detailing and ceramic coating center. They provide a variety of vehicle aesthetic services, including ceramic coating, paint correction, paint protection film, car polishing, car detailing. There are many detailing shops in Metro Vancouver, but very few match Gleamworks' experience, dedication to craft, and passion. The goal is to achieve a new level of detailing, paint correction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more videos.